In this video, I'm going to show you how to make viral motivational YouTube videos without showing your face and without using your voice, just by using free AI tools, okay? I will make this video super easy for you guys, step by step, how you can start your own faceless YouTube channel and start making money like this. I already have a faceless YouTube channel, and as you can see, in the last 90 days, this channel has made me $4,787 just uploading easy and simple videos, okay? So let me show you an example of those viral motivational videos. You can see it's easy and simple, and as you can see, those videos getting millions of views, okay? It's easy. So what those people do is they just upload videos with background music, and that's it, showing people training, and that's it, easy and simple, okay? So to make like those videos, what you need to do is you need to go to Canva, okay? You need to create an account on Canva. It's easy and simple. If you don't have an account on Canva, go to Google, search for Canva, sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page, and you should have an account like this one. So what you need to do next is you need to click over here on video. You can see video, click on video. You will be directly in this page over here, okay? So what you need to do next is you need to click over here on elements, okay? Click on elements and search for bodybuilder or search for gym, and click over here on video. Let's search first, let's search for bodybuilders, okay, like this, okay? And you will find a lot of videos here. So for example, you will use this one. Click on the video that you want to use. Your video will be in this page. Click on this 3 points, set the video as background, okay? Click here and swipe left, or you can swipe right to make the video short. So I make it like this. Click on the next page, add page, click on add page, and add more page that you want to use, okay? So let's add more page like this, okay? Then go back to the second page over here. I will click on this one. So just use different videos from here. It's easy and simple. Next page, I will use this one, for example. Set video as background. Make it, click here, make it short. It's really easy and simple, guys, okay? I will use this one here. Set the video as background, make it short like this. Click on the next page, scroll down. Okay, let's scroll down, let's find more videos. I'm gonna use this one here, make it short. Click on the next page, scroll down. If you scroll down, you can find a lot of videos here that you can use for free on Canva, okay? It's really easy and simple, okay? Will take just a few minutes from your time to make like those videos, okay? And I'm gonna show you how you can add background music, okay, to make this video more engaging and professional, okay? Let's make it like this. Scroll down. Okay, let's search for dream videos, or you can also search for fitness, okay? And here you go, you will find a lot of videos here. I'm gonna also use this one for girls. This next page, scroll down, add this one here. Search for master. Man videos, and here you go, you will find a lot of videos here. Click on the next page. Let's add this one here, make it short. Next page, okay, click on the next page. We'll add this one here. next page, and I will add another one. Then I will show you how you can add background music. Okay, so let's see. This one. So what you need to do next is you need to go to the first page, click between those two pages, click on add transition, choose which transition you want to add between your videos to make your videos more professional and engaging. I'm gonna choose this one, make it to 0.3, okay? Then click on apply between all page, okay? And here you go. So now we need background music, okay? So how we can find the background music that you can use for free? So what you need to do is you need to go to YouTube, go to your YouTube homepage and search for this channel. Search for no copyright sound, okay? You can use any background music from this channel for free, okay? Because they don't have the copyright free music, as you can see over here, copyright free music. You can use them for free, okay? So if you, I'm gonna show you how you can download. So for example, let's say you like this one, click on this 3 points, share, copy the link of the video, the background music video, go to Google, search for this website, search for save from, okay? Search for this website, save from, okay? Then put your background music link here, okay? And then you can download the video, the background music video from here, okay? So let me show you. It's a really easy and simple. Click over here, select audio, download, and here you go, okay? So after you finish your after you download your background music, okay, you will come back to Canva, click over here on upload, click on upload file, and upload your background music, okay? Upload your background music to Canva. Click on open, it will be uploaded over here. I already have mine here. This is my background music. Click on your background music and your background music will be over here. And here you go. You just created motivational video in few seconds just by using Canva. So let's check this video now and let me know in the comments, guys, what's your opinion, okay? Everything you want, but you can't have. Number one regret, no take backs. Just that's payback, payback, and you better take that. You could call yourself a so critical, I can take the blame. Just like I can take a match and send it up in flame. Don't say I didn't mean that. That's just karma. Better take that. And here you go, guys. That's how we can make motivational viral videos without using your voice and without showing your face, just by using Canva and YouTube background. You can download free background music from YouTube and add the background music to your YouTube video on Canva and start uploading like those videos. That's what this channel is making, as you can see, and it's me getting millions of views and of course making a lot of money, okay? Easy videos, simple, will take just few times, just a few minutes from your time, and you can start making like those videos, okay? Without investing any money, just you can start with Canva and YouTube, okay? Easy and simple. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this video is helpful for you guys, and see you in my next video, okay? After you finish, you can click over here on share, click on download. This video will be downloaded to your laptop. You can go and upload this video to your YouTube channel.